Very good morning, children. How are you? Fine? That's good. Yeah. Had your breakfast? Your breakfast is very important, so don't skip your breakfast. Don't avoid your breakfast. Have a healthy breakfast, okay? So, better drink milk every day. Milk or Horlicks Complan, whatever it is. Have a drink also, hot drink also, right? Yeah. So this is the writing part of grammar. Okay. The continuity of chapter 2 nouns. Yes, no. So have you gone through the introduction explanation part of the grammar nouns which is given in your book? Part 1 video I have sent it of the introduction part of nouns. Okay, so this is the exercise part. So in this exercise part, your handwriting should be very neat, right? I need your handwriting good, legible, okay? So don't make any mistake because you are writing only in pencil. So if any mistake arise, please kindly rub it neatly and then write, okay? Yeah. So come, let's go for the topic. So first one is proper noun. Write proper noun for these common nouns. Yeah. So here they have given common nouns. For this common nouns we have to write proper noun. So what is the proper noun? Particularly which is said. Particularly we are saying that is called as indicating. Particularly indicating is called as proper noun. Okay? Yeah. So see, one is done for you. River. So any river you can write. It is not necessary only this you have to write, but anything you can write. But spelling mistake should not be there. That is very important. If spelling mistake is there, then sure the answer will be wrong. You may lose your mark, right? Yeah. So river, Brahmaputra. Here it is given Brahmaputra. See, particularly they have indicated. Particularly they have mentioned, that is called as proper noun. Okay, so school, Nalanda. Friend, any friend name, Sai Krishna. City, anything. So here I have given Morbi or Rajkot, whatever it is. Okay. Teacher, so here I have given my name. So whoever you want to write, you can write their name. Teacher, name of a teacher. Okay. Country, India. Park, Sundarban National Park. Okay, so this is the national park, Sundarbans National Park. Then book, Wings of Fire, written by Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's book, Wings of Fire. This is WINGS, Wings of Fire. Mountain, Kanchenjunga. Okay, so mountain, Kanchenjunga. It is in Asia. I think it is in Asia. Okay, I think so. Yeah. Newspaper, Indian Express. Okay, so here it is in a common noun and here it is given in a proper noun. Specifically they have mentioned. Particularly they have mentioned. Right? Clear? So spelling is very important, mark. So if any spelling mistake arise, then mark will be reduced in the exam. So spelling is very important, and here I have given the simple words only, not so difficult, right? Yeah. So come for the next one. Yes. What is this? Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. This we have already seen in the basic worksheet itself, right? Yeah. So common noun. Even the previous division we saw, no? So in general, which is given, that is called as common noun. And particularly mentioned, specifically mentioned, is called as proper noun. Yeah, see here, we went to Puri for our vacation. So common noun you have to underline, proper noun you have to circle. So it is a place, that's why they have circled. It is a proper noun. Common thing for a vacation, common thing. So they have underlined. Okay. My cat Peter chased the bird. So here cat, it is a common. So underline the word cat. Peter, see, name of your cat Peter. They have mentioned particularly name. So circle Peter, right? Chased the bird, which means catched the bird. Ran and caught. Okay, it ran and caught, that is called as ran, and catch, that is called as chased. Okay, so here bird is a common noun, specifically not mentioned. Which bird, what all, they have not mentioned. There are many types of birds, no? So in general they have given, that's why underline the word bird as a common noun. My sister went to the Corbett National Park last October. See, my sister is the common noun. Particularly they have mentioned the park, Corbett National Park. Particularly they have mentioned the month, October. So you have to circle this too. Okay. Mukesh took the Hyderabad Express to Chennai. So Mukesh, name is given. See, Express name is given. Hyderabad Express. Chennai, name of a place is given. So this everything, it is a proper noun. So you have to circle the proper noun. Right? Clear? This we have done in basic worksheet itself. So you have studied in your 4th standard itself. So it is very easy. No difficult in this nouns, right? See, Shilpa went to the market to buy some bread and butter. See, market. What market? Which market? They didn't say. It is in a common, general. So it is a common noun. Underline it. Bread and butter. They have given common. Nothing specified. So it is a common noun. You can underline the bread and butter. Any brand, any name is not given for it, for this bread and butter, right? Shilpa, name is given particularly, a name of a girl, right? So this is a proper noun. Please circle the proper noun. Yeah. Next, we saw a rhino at the Kasiranga National Park. So in a Kasiranga National Park, see, it is given, name is particularly given, so it is a proper noun. Rhino. Many types of rhinos are there. Simply in general they have given rhino. Any types is not mentioned, so it is a common noun. Common noun. Okay? Yeah. Rohit enjoyed playing football with us. See, football. Just a football. They didn't mention any information more than football. So it is a common noun. Rohit, name of your man, name of your boy. So particularly mentioned. So it is a proper noun. Okay. So you have to circle the proper noun Rohit. Sujitra dropped her doll in the pond. Okay, so pond is a common noun. Doll is a common noun. Not mentioned what doll types or nothing. Sujitra name is mentioned particularly, so it is a proper noun. Circle the proper noun. I studied at St. Anthony's Public School. So St. Anthony Public School, they have mentioned the name of the school particularly. It is a proper noun. Circle it. Yeah. Jane is a librarian. She reads a book every day. So book, they didn't mention what book. General. So underline the book. Librarian. It is a general word. Please underline it. Jane, name of a person, name of a boy, given particularly. So it is a the proper noun. Please circle the word proper noun. Jane. Clear? Yes. So hope no doubt will be in this division, right? Yeah, here comes the sentence. Write sentences with these abstract nouns. So this is abstract noun. Already we have seen in the introduction part what is the meaning of abstract noun. Explanation for the abstract noun, right? So what is abstract noun? Which we can't see, we can just feel. Okay, we can't see, we can't touch, we can just only feel. That is called a the quality, that is called a abstract noun, right? See here, we have to frame sentence. For this I have given very simple sentence only for you. See, fear they have done for us. Faiz has a fear of heights. So Faiz has a fear of height. So he feels scared of height. Okay, yeah. Loss. The company suffered with a great loss. So you know everything. Suffered also, you know what is the meaning. Company, you know. Loss, you know. Then what is that to explain? Easy only now. See, the company suffered with a great loss. It was difficult. Suffering from fever. We used to say, no? Yeah. So friendship. True friendship is priceless. True friendship is priceless. We can't give amount and buy any friendship. Okay, so it is priceless. We can't buy amount. Okay, so don't think that everything we can buy through amount. Through amount we can't buy everything. Even see now many of the people are suffering from COVID. No, many of the rich people will be there in it. So they have lots and lots and lots of money. Can they do with the money anything? Nah. So it is health. God can only help. Okay, so their money can't help. Even you give lakhs and lakhs of money, whether that money can help? No. So sometimes money, everything, don't think that money is the top. Money is not top. Okay, so relationship is good. That's why I used to say in the online class, be disciplined, give respect to the teachers, obey yourself. Okay, if you are rich, that is not that you are the top, you are everything. No, that is a bad attitude. Whatever it is, if you are rich or poor, whatever it is, middle class, upper class, lower class, nothing. For if your student means student, that is, got it? So in online class also, obey the teachers, give respect to them. Okay, when whatever question I ask, either everyone used to shout together or else be very quiet. Pin drop silent will be there, right? Please don't do this. This is a bad attitude, right? When a teacher asks a question, try to answer it, but avoid chorus answer. So here, what did I say? Priceless. We can't buy everything through amount, through money, right? So here, see, true friendship is priceless. Goodness, my goodness, you have spent a lot. Okay. Oh God, this much you have spent? We used to say, no, that's what. My goodness, you have spent a lot more. You have spent money more. Okay. Intelligence. It shows your intelligence. You are intelligent. That only. Intelligent only we used to say as intelligence. Okay. So it shows your intelligence. Patience. She won by her patience to be calm, to be quiet. Okay? Without any hurry. Be calm, quiet. That is called patience. To be quiet. So she won. Past tense of win is called won. She won by her patience. Right? Joy. My heart filled with joy, so that I'm happy. That's what it says. What? I'm happy. My heart filled with joy. Right? Yeah. So next one. This cursor disturbs a lot. Next one. Lie. Never lie to anyone. You are saying lie, no? Yes. Hope you know what is the meaning of lie. True. What? Not true. Speak the truth. Don't say lie. Yeah, we used to say no. Speak the truth. Truth. Not true. Nahi. Truth. TRUTH. Okay. Speak the truth. Don't lie. So that is never lie to anyone. This is a good habit. Kindness. So I forgot which section is it. Section A, I think section E or A, I don't remember. I think section A, one boy. I have strictly said not to talk with the parents, and I have off the mic also. I think his mother have talked to him anything. He gave some reaction, so I couldn't understand that to whom he showed the reaction. Whether he can't understand my explanation, that's why he made such reaction, or he reacted to his mom. I don't know to whom he reacted. So I asked. I mentioned his name and said, "You just on your mic and answer to my question. To whom did you react now? To my explanation or to your parents?" I asked. You know what he did? The others immediately, he said, "I reacted to my mother, ma'am." That's it. Super. So, it was good. Answer also, it was good. In a polite manner. That is very important. See, listen to me. Some people know you used to shout. But he said in a polite manner, "Ma'am, I talked to my mommy. I reacted to my mom." That's good. So I said, "Okay, please don't do it." So the mic was in mute, so I couldn't understand to whom you were reacted, to my explanation or to your parents. I don't know. That's why I asked. But I then immediately appreciated him. Good. So when I asked you, immediately you answered in a good manner, politely. So without blinking or without being quiet, without wasting a time. See, some students, when I ask them anything, they will be very quiet. That time only you will be very quiet, pin drop silent. So that is a bad attitude. It wastes the time also. Okay. So that is the good. So without lie, so without hiding anything, he said the truth. For that I appreciated him. So good things should be appreciated. Okay. Yeah. Avoid saying lie. Next it is kindness. I have noticed her kindness. To be kind. To be kind. If you want more explanation for this kind, means mercy, kind. So I have noticed her kindness. She is very kind to that. I have noticed. I have seen. Okay. Love. Love is God. God is love. That's it. No explanation for this. Love is God. You know what is love? We love everyone. First love is our mother, father, then brother, sister, relationship, everything. So love is God. God is love. Comma is very important here, my dears. Comma is important, right? So please read this and see handwriting is, you can see this clearly. See, in a normal size I have written, not neither small nor big. Okay, neither small nor big. It is in a normal size. So please, if your handwriting is big, try to do this division with the small handwriting, small words. Okay, please. Small letter, nahi, word nahi, letter. Handwriting is very important, my dears. Don't strike out often. Please write neatly. Yeah, here comes a picture. See, because no more divisions are there, you will get very bored and confused. That's why here I have given a picture, right? So this is this exercise part, no, it is very easy, it is not hard. Okay, only divisions are more, but it is simple and easy. Just read the exercise. After you finish writing, just go through it, so that it will be very clear for you. No need to blink, and don't think that ma'am is explaining only in English. There is nothing to go for Hindi also, and that it is a English class only. No, see, every word it is a simple word, common word, nothing difficult. You won't feel any difficulties in this, right? So 4 years you have studied English also. Don't think that you don't know anything. If you think that you don't know anything, then sure, you may not know anything. So think that you know. Okay, so please go through this videos whatever I'm sending you, and then when our class, online class comes, ask me doubt whatever you have. Okay, so before online class comes, you just go through this. Right, even after the online session only you receive this video matlab also, no problem. After the class gets over, this particular class gets over, in the next session also you can ask me doubt, ma'am, I have gone through this division, this I have doubt. Okay, but you know one thing, when you ask doubt, you should just a minute, yeah, you should ask me. You know, some students they are calling ma'am, 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 that's it. Ma, yes, what do you want? Say na, they are not saying anything. What is this? For calling ma'am itself 5 minutes will go. Yes ma, say. Never, for this 5 minutes will go. Or else you know what they will do? They matlab they nahi, you people only. Okay, so what do you do? Ma'am, I have doubt. Yes ma, ask what do you have? Ma'am, I have doubt. Batao kya doubt? Nah, they won't ask. Ma'am, doubt. So don't waste time like this. In this itself, 10 minutes get over. So you just open your mouth and say, ma'am, doubt. Enough. It is online session and we can't hear the words clearly. So ma'am, doubt. Say, I will say, yes ma'am, say. So you just read, you just say what doubt you have, you ask. Okay, so don't take more time for ma'am itself, right? Yeah. So if you simply close your book like this after finish writing, sure, you may not understand. It will be confused. You may not clear in the exercise part. Just go through the exercise part after finished writing. Okay, yeah. So now let's go for the remaining exercise. Go through the exercise part, read it at least 2 times, twice. It will be clear for you. Okay, yeah, here comes session D. I said no, there are more sessions. Oh my god, yeah, see, don't worry, easy only. Okay, complete the passage with suitable collective nouns from the box. So see, this collective nouns also we have seen in our basic worksheet, and even you have seen in your 4th standard. So everything is easy only. Don't think, don't think it is hard. It is not hard, right? Yeah. So here they have given a passage. So it is like a story. It will be very interesting. Listen here. Can you see here? A grandfather is sitting and a granddaughter. See? She's there. So let us see what they were talking. Grandpa was in trouble. He had lost his reading glasses and was looking for them. He searched high and low. He looked through a stack of old newspapers but found no glasses. He overturned a chest of drawers, but all he found was a bunch of keys and a sheaf of milk coupons. He put his hands into a pile of dirty clothes that were kept for washing, but he could not find his glasses. Grandpa was now getting worried. He was a whole bundle of sorry, there was a whole bundle of letters for him to read through that morning, and he had already lost valuable time looking for his glasses. The old man said to himself, maybe the glasses have gone off into the rubbish bin. Bin matlab dustbin. Along with the waste paper I emptied into it early this morning. He ran down a flight of stairs, for he lived in an apartment on the first floor of a block of flats. He looked carefully through the litter of rubbish in bin, but in vain. Tired and tired and panting, he climbed up to his flat and snake into a sofa. His 6 years old granddaughter. See, I said no, that is a granddaughter. Okay, daughter. She's a granddaughter who had been watching all this. Asked, "What's the matter, Grandpa?" "Have you seen my glasses?" the old man asked. "No, but I know where they are," the granddaughter answered. "Where?" shouted the old man. "Here," she said, pointing at his forehead. "See." It was an forehead. She's pointing that. Understand? So if you read the paragraph itself, you can understand where this collective noun should be applied. Okay, so we have seen many collective nouns. So while reading this only, you can judge where we should apply what. Okay, see, sack of old newspaper. So it is arranged now. Arranged, old newspapers are arranged, and a chest of drawers. So overturned chest of drawers. That is how, ma'am, it is called. Means we can't say. So in max some formulas are there. No, same thing. It is like a formula. It is like a rule. For drawers, no, it will come as chest of drawers only. We can't say how. See, for bunch of, so you have studied this several times. See, bunch of keys. It is by hearted by you several times, so you may be aware of this. And some words you may not be aware of this because you have not used this. That is the difference. That's it. So don't think that it is hard. It is not hard. You have not gone through several times. If you go through this several times, and even this will be as easy as bunch of keys, right? So you are very familiar with this bunch of keys, and you may not familiar with the chef of milk or the chest of drawers, right? Yeah, so please go through, then it will be by hearted, it will be easy, right? So see, chef of milk coupons, a pile of dirty clothes, okay, a bundle of letters, flight of stairs, block of flats, block, you know, no, A block, B block, C block, so block of flats, litter of rubbish, bin, litter of rubbish in bin, okay, in bin, here it is. So everything is easy, just 8 or 7 words, I think, is it? 9 words are there. Easy only, that is not so difficult. Okay, See, here comes the match. Match the words with the correct collective noun. See, this is also collective noun only. So two divisions are given. One is given as a Phillips and he brackets the words were given, and here it comes as a match the following. See, I have matched, but I think it's not so clear. That's why I have written the numbers here. So please, you also after matching here, no, write the numbers so that while reading it will be easy, or else you may confuse at the time of drawing the lines. It will be easy, Yeah, while you're drawing the lines, it will be easy. But afterwards, when you revise for your exam or when you revise for your monthly test, it will be very confused. So this may lose your marks also. So please write the numbers. Yes, it will be easy to identify correctly, right? See, baby of. See, I'm searching here where it is, right? So please don't do this. A baby of lakhs. A baby of lakhs. A feet of ships. A feet of ships. A troop of dancers. Already we have seen this. A troop of dancers. A squad of policemen. This also we have seen. A squad of policemen. A clutch of eggs. A clutch of eggs. A bunch of bananas. A bunch of bananas. A grove of trees. A grove of trees. A flight of stars. This we saw no the previous division. A flight of a flight of stars. A pack of cards. A pack of cards. Then the last one is a gang of robbers. A gang of thief robbers. A gang of robbers. So this also we have seen in what is that worksheet? I think basic worksheet. Right? Yes. So please go through this. It will be very easy. Yeah, here comes the next division. But please write the numbers in the match the following. That is very important. And draw the lines clearly. See, it is clear. I didn't draw 2-3 lines all. Single line. Just draw like this single line. Don't do this all. Just one time. Next time. Like this. Okay? Yeah. So the next one is use the words in the box once as a countable noun and once as an uncountable noun to complete these sentences. Wow, this is very easy, right? So only 2 more divisions including this. See, they have given here chocolate, ice, stone, iron, hood, paper, advice, baggage. So this word is given. Once you 2 sentences are given in one, you have to use this countable noun, and in another one you have to use as an uncountable noun. It is uncountable noun. Okay, so it is easy. Let me explain you. It's so cold that the water has frozen into ice. Can I have ice? Can I have a cube of ice, please? The water is not cold enough. So see here. Here also they have said ice. Here also they have said ice. But here simply ice. So it's so cold the water has frozen into ice. So water itself has become ice because it is cold. We can't count ice. Can you count ice? How much ice is there? Nah, you can't count the ice, right? So see here they have given a cube of ice. Matlab you can count the cube. How many cubes? See in the fridge also, no? The top. Excuse me, sorry. So in fridge also, no? The top layer will be there, right? As ice cubes will be there. For ice cubes, box will be there like square. Cube box will be there, no? Yeah. So there you used to keep this. So ice cube, there you can count this cube, no, that is called as ice cube. So this is a countable noun, second one. And the A is a uncountable noun, right? Ice we can't count, a cube of ice we can count. Okay, see second one. Give me a piece of paper please, I want to write down the address. So piece of paper we can count it. Got it? They are sailing paper boats in the rain. So in the rain they are sailing paper boats. This we can't count. Several will be their paper boats. So we can't count. But see here, a piece of paper matlab a single piece. So we can count this. So A is a countable and B is a uncountable noun. Got it? Third one. A king lived in a palace where was right in the middle of the woods. Okay. So in the middle of the woods we can count it. See next one. Desks are generally made of wood. So desks are generally made of wood. So they may made of several woods. Who know? Can you say that this desk it is in plural? So we can't say no how many desks, and using how many wood it is made we can say, right? But see here, in the middle of woods matlab in the middle of woods we can count. Okay, so don't think here it is S is there, so we can't count this. Here S is not there, we can count. Don't come to this judgment, that is wrong. That's why you have to read the sentences. That's why you used to say read. If you read the sentence also, you can understand the meaning clearly, right? Fourth one. These biscuits are good, but I don't like the chocolate ones. Give me a bar of chocolate to your sister. So give me a bar of chocolate to your sister. A bar matlab a piece. Okay? This is also a countable noun. See, listen. A bar of chocolate. So a bar, no, sorry, I have said countable. Did I say countable? Nahi. What is that? Collective noun. So a bar of chocolate, no, that is a collective noun. Okay, yeah. So see here, you can count that. A bar of chocolate, how much bar is that? Like piece, it will be small cubes. It will be like small cubes. You can count that how much. But see here, I don't like the chocolate ones. In biscuit, chocolates are there. Like for example, hide and seek biscuit. Whether you have seen, I don't know whether here hide and seek biscuits are there or not. But hide and seek biscuit, I think yeah, I have seen here. Hide and seek biscuit. The chocolates will be there now. Some pieces of chocolate will be spreaded. So we can't count that now. Yeah. So this is uncountable and this is countable. A is uncountable and B is uncountable. A is uncountable and B is countable. A bar of chocolate is countable, right? Yeah. So fifth one, he threw stones at the door to wake up the people inside. These walls are strong, they are made up of stone. Same thing, if yes is yes, so this is countable, and yes is not yes, so this is uncountable. Yes is yes, so it is uncountable, and yes is not that, this is countable. Don't come like this to the conclusion, that is really wrong one. See, read the sentences. These walls are strong, they are made up of stone. So we may not know how many stones they are used. So this is uncountable. They threw stones, so they throw the stones that we can count at the door to wake up the people inside. So if they throw 5 to 6 to 10 stones, means sure inside, those who are inside, they will be awake. So they will open the door automatically. So can't you count the 10 stones? We can count, no? Yeah. So this is countable and the B1 is uncountable. Right? Sixth one. Please iron your clothes before you leave. What is the melting point of iron? See, a melting point of iron we don't know. We can't know. We never know this. So this is uncountable noun. Please iron your clothes before you leave. So clothes we can iron, no, that when we iron we can count it. How many clothes will you iron in a day? Maximum it will be 5 to 6. That's it. Even it be 10, we can count it, right? Yeah, so this is countable and the B1 is uncountable. Is it easy? It is really easy, ma'am. If you understand, it is easy. Everything it is a simple word. There is no such a hard vocabulary at all. Very simple word. So you can understand. Just go through the videos at least 2 times so that you can understand. If any doubt is there, kindly ask to me in the online session. Right? Yeah. So has your baggage been weighted? I have only one baggage with me. I always travel light. So what is this? Have your baggage been weighted? So we don't know how much baggage are there. So whether it is weighted. Weight we put weight no. So whether it is weighted we may not know. I have only one baggage. See, only one baggage means we can count it. So I travel with only lightweight. We can count this one baggage, but here baggage weight we can't. This baggage no, we can't count. Yeah. Next one, eighth one. He said that I should not lend or borrow. Lend means giving. Borrow means getting. Don't get from him, don't borrow from him. Lend him, give him. Okay? That was a sound piece of advice. That was a sound piece of advice. She gave me the most valuable advice that I will follow all my life. Piece of advice. So here see collective noun, it is a piece of advice. So lend or borrow. Only this one thing they have said. Lend or borrow. That's it. So this is a countable piece of advice. Here valuable advice, more advice they have given. So we may not know how long they have advised, we may not know. So this is uncountable and the first A1 is countable noun. Right? That's it. Finish. This is the last division. So don't get tired. Okay? If you think it is very heavy, so please at least see has it after 10 minutes or after 20 minutes. Take rest. Drink any hot drinks or snacks. Eat snacks. Then again you can come for this video, but don't skip the video, see the video please. Okay, yeah. Prasad tore, past tense of tear the paper. Tore, past tense of tear is tore. He tore the paper. Okay, Prasad tore his shopping list by mistake. See if you can help him make another list. So he has tore, we have to make here another list. See, flour, flavor, we used to say no, flour, corn flour, this is flour, corn flour, that flour. Okay, a dozen chocolate candles, 200 grams of a bottle of eggs, a tube of a bunch of cake, a bar of cooking oil, a packet of 1 grapes of soap. Oh God, it is little difficult. Anyhow, let us try. See, answer is given here. So it is a collective noun. Got it? It is a collective noun. A tube of toothpaste. Okay, a tube of toothpaste. I have said no. Collective noun matlab it is like that. It is like a formula. It is like a rules. We can't ask why, how, nothing. Okay. A bar of chocolate. See, a bar of chocolate. A dozen of eggs. A dozen of eggs. A bunch of grapes. You are familiar with this. a bunch of grapes, 1 cake of soap, TKC for soap it is cake, 1 cake of soap, a packet of candles, 200 grams of flour, see, 200 grams of flour, corn flour, we used to say corn flour, no, like that, flour, a bottle of cooking oil, got it, done. So see, handwriting is very important. It is given only less space to write. Please minimize your handwriting, the size of your handwriting, and write neatly and clearly. Your handwriting is very important. See the picture of writing. Okay, don't write to finish. So ma'am has given more, we have to finish. In that concept, if you write, your handwriting won't be neat. If you write neatly, and I am given the chance to do your note or book correction, see, I will while doing correction, I may write neat, good, superb, excellent. Some remarks will be given to you. Okay, yes, so if you need that remarks, even in book I may give the remarks, good, superb, excellent, wonderful, well done, everything I'll write. So if you need that, write neatly. Okay, so that you are writing in pencil, so that if it is wrong also, you can rub and write, rub neatly and write. Don't make much mistake. Handwriting is very important. No problem, you can write even in 2 days. No need to hurry and write soon. Hurry matlab hurry up, fast we write. No need to write in urgent. Write neatly in even 2 days. Got it? That's it. Thank you. Be safe at home. Bye bye.